Most people chase approval, but real attractiveness starts when you respect yourself daily today.
Attractive people listen fully before speaking because attention is the rarest gift anyone offers. Calm confidence grows when your words match your actions every single quiet, ordinary day. People feel safe around someone who stays kind even during small, frustrating moments daily. Eye contact shows presence, and presence quietly tells others that this moment actually matters. Slow down your speech slightly because calm voices signal strength more than loud voices ever can. Remember names carefully because remembering someone's name tells their mind they genuinely matter today.
A gentle smile can open conversations faster than clever lines rehearsed inside your head.
Attractive energy appears when you stop performing and start living honestly in front of people. Curiosity about others creates connection because everyone secretly hopes somebody will truly understand them.
Ask thoughtful questions and let silence breathe because silence invites deeper, honest answers today.
Stand tall and breathe slowly because posture alone can change how people read your presence. Kind humor lightens rooms without hurting anyone, and people remember how safe laughter felt. Being comfortable with silence shows inner stability, and stability attracts trust very naturally today. Gratitude in small conversations makes people feel valued instead of merely tolerated today, friend.
Consistency is magnetic because predictable kindness feels rare in a world of changing moods.
Listening without interrupting signals respect, and respect quietly builds invisible emotional bridges between people. People notice patience because patience proves you value them more than your rushing schedule. Humility keeps conversations balanced because nobody enjoys speaking with someone constantly proving superiority today.
Authenticity shines when your personality stays the same with strangers, friends, and authority figures.
Gentle encouragement can change someone's day because supportive words echo longer than criticism usually.
Emotional awareness allows you to read rooms and respond with thoughtful, calm reactions today. Attractive people celebrate others without jealousy because abundance thinking removes quiet competition between hearts. When you admit mistakes openly, people trust you faster than perfect performances ever could. Calm reactions during conflict show maturity, and maturity feels deeply attractive to observers everywhere. Speaking clearly and simply helps people relax because confusion quietly creates distance between minds. Your attention is powerful because where attention goes, emotional connection slowly grows every time. Being reliable in small things proves character stronger than impressive promises ever could alone.
Warm greetings set positive tones, and positive tones shape entire conversations from first seconds.
A relaxed presence helps others drop defenses and speak honestly around you today comfortably.
Attractive communicators pause before responding because thoughtful pauses signal respect and intelligence to listeners. Sharing credit generously makes teams appreciate you, and appreciation builds quiet influence over time. Genuine compliments feel powerful because honesty carries warmth people instinctively recognize and remember later. Patience with slower speakers shows respect, and respect strengthens social bonds between people everywhere. People gravitate toward calm individuals because calmness reduces invisible tension in groups around them. Body language communicates more than clever phrases prepared earlier inside your mind today. Attractive presence grows slowly through habits practiced daily, not tricks used occasionally by anyone. Self-awareness helps you notice nervous habits before they quietly sabotage conversations today, friend. Breathe calmly during moments because steady breathing relaxes both mind and voice naturally.
A curious mindset makes conversations adventurous instead of awkward or forced today with others.
When people feel heard, they remember you longer than someone impressive but distracted.
Being present with phones away shows respect that modern conversations rarely receive today anymore. Curiosity beats judgment because curious minds invite stories instead of defensive silence today, friend.
Soft laughter signals warmth, and warmth encourages others to relax nearby around you today.
Reliability in friendships builds strong attraction because dependability feels emotionally safe for others nearby. Respectful disagreement shows intelligence because thoughtful debate values truth above ego in conversations everywhere. Encouraging others' dreams makes you memorable because support is surprisingly rare today in life.
Being comfortable alone creates independence, and independence increases natural attraction over time naturally today.
Quiet discipline improves posture, voice, and emotional control during conversations with others every day. The calm greeting with genuine eye contact begins connection before words appear today, friend.
Attractive social energy grows when you genuinely enjoy learning about people around you daily.
Patience during pauses prevents awkward rushing, and thoughtful pacing improves clarity for listeners everywhere. Gratitude expressed openly strengthens relationships and makes your presence uplifting for everyone around today. Calm confidence spreads quietly because emotions travel quickly between people nearby every single day.
Honest apologies rebuild trust faster than defensive explanations ever could today with others' friend. A grounded voice makes simple ideas sound meaningful and trustworthy to listeners everywhere today. People admire consistency because stable behavior removes uncertainty from relationships over time naturally today.
Listening for emotions, not just words, deepens understanding instantly between two people today, friend. Balanced confidence avoids arrogance while still expressing clear self-respect during social moments today.
Attractive individuals uplift rooms because their calm energy welcomes everyone inside the room today.
Showing appreciation quickly prevents good moments from passing unnoticed by people around you today.
Kindness offered freely builds reputation quietly without needing attention from anyone watching today, friend.
Observing before reacting allows wiser responses during emotional conversations with others around you today. Attractive communication focuses on connection instead of performance during conversations with others today, friend.
Calm curiosity replaces social anxiety because interest shifts focus outward toward others today, friend.
Welcoming body language invites strangers to approach comfortably without fear today around you, friend.
Respectful tone keeps disagreements productive and emotionally safe for everyone involved today in conversations. The most attractive people make others feel interesting and valued. Today, around them, be a friend. Simple politeness still stands out because many people rush through interactions every single day.
Attractive presence grows from inner calm, not external approval from other people today, friend.
Confidence becomes magnetic when kindness guides your behavior toward others every single day, friend. Social strength develops slowly through mindful daily practice with other people around you today. Every conversation becomes easier when you focus on giving value to others today, friend.
True attractiveness grows from character habits repeated quietly every single day of life today.
Practice these social skills daily and people will feel better whenever you enter rooms.